Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, I would say today, good recovery day. Things were not looking so good on Thursday. And today it was a choppy day, but you got to just stop and think about things from a perspective standpoint. So yeah, the price did chop around, back and forth, up around here. But where's the last time it was chopping around? Well, down in that area. And I mean, obviously not to insult your intelligence, but that area is higher than that one. So that does imply that although today was choppy, it was still, the price was making progress. So that's a good step in the right direction. And that shows that, there's still plenty of potential for this thing to start to regain more momentum next week. Much better than having the price gap down further and then be choppy. At least there was that gap up in the upwards direction. And now there's definitely a couple of key levels that, just a lot of people will be watching. And, this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I'm not trying to imply I have some sort of special talent. In fact, the exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts and understand charts are going to be watching these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have at this $16 mark. You can see 16 rejected the price. And then twice today, again, rejected the price. So while nothing is guaranteed, it is a more than valid and rational thought to have that if the price were to come up to 16 and then get the breakup through it, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So 16 is certainly going to be an area that you're going to want to watch very closely headed into next week. And then if the price can push up through 16, next key level after that just becomes right up there around that $20 mark. As far as areas of support are concerned, preferably speaking, if the price can continue to do what it's been doing by holding up above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, that would be fantastic. You can see it did a good job, generally speaking, holding up there. So if that can continue to happen moving forward, that would definitely be a great sign of power. So watch that as that area of support. But overall, the main dynamics, at least in my opinion, are all about that $16 mark and seeing if the price can eventually get up to that area and then break up through it. So keep a close eye on those areas, and we'll see what happens with this one as time continues to play out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.